Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wings Tuition Classes. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about MS PowerPoint. So to open MS PowerPoint, you will go to Start button and in the search bar I will write PowerPoint, and this PowerPoint icon will come on your screen. Click on this and this will open MS PowerPoint. Now before opening, it will ask some options, like here there are some templates given here. These are templates which you can use for creating your slides. Now you will choose blank presentation. I will click on blank presentation, and then one blank presentation will be opened on our screen. This is the window of MS PowerPoint. Here you can see this white color page. This is called slide on which we work. It has some boxes. You can see here two boxes. First one, it is written click to add title, and second one click to add subtitle. So whatever you have to add in MS PowerPoint, you have to do in this boxes. Like you will click in this box, and whatever you want to write, you will write inside this box. If you want to insert any object, any text, any shapes, any picture, any image, video, audio, everything you have to insert inside these boxes. So these boxes are called placeholders in PowerPoint. Every slide has some placeholders. Now this side, this is your slide navigation pane. Here you will see how many slides you have created in your presentation. Now here only one slide is there. There is one new slide button on the top which is on home tab. If you want to add next slide in your presentation, you will click on new slide button. See, now here second slide is added. Now you can see here two slides, and which one you will select, that will appear here. So when you are adding slide, if you click here on this new slide button, this dot, then here you can see layouts of the slide. So when you are adding the slides in your PowerPoint, you can choose any layout from here. This layout tells the arrangement of placeholders on the slide, like title slide, title and content, section header. Like this 9 layouts are given. Which type of slide you want to create, according to that we choose the layout. So after adding slides, we create the slides. If you want to write anything inside the slide, like I want to create a slide on the topic environment, so you will write like this. If you want to insert any picture here, you can insert picture, and like this you will create your slides. And there is one file button. From here you can save your work in PowerPoint. It has some more options like print option, close option. So these options are present here which you can use in your PowerPoint presentation. Now after creating the slides, there is one slideshow button. You can start slideshow from top. One slideshow tab is given. You can start slideshow from here, or on home tab downside here you can see this slideshow button here. If you click on this button, then also the slideshow will start. Now what is slideshow? When you click on slideshow, the slide comes like this on whole screen of your computer, on whole screen one by one. Like here only one slide is there. How many you will create? Like this it will come on the screen. So this is the basic of MS PowerPoint. Next part I will continue in the next video. So thank you everyone, and please like my YouTube channel.